Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas 2. I hope you guys are enjoying my Vlogmas video so far. Today is Saturday, December 1st. So it's the last month of the year, y'all. What goals y'all got? What y'all trying to accomplish before 2019? Leave them down below. Let me know. So me and my mom had to go to Tulsa today. We had to go for a Christmas party, for the job or whatever. Now we're about to go eat at Cracker Barrel. Let's see what she and her doing, because she taking forever. We still need to be putting up the Christmas tree. Let's see. Sorry it's dark, y'all. Okay. She back there getting dressed. So, waiting on mother to get dressed. We need to put the Christmas tree up. We just have it breathing, I guess. You know, the old folks say you gotta let the tree widen up a little bit before you get the before you decorate it. So, waiting on mama. There's me. I know my hair look burnt up, y'all. Don't judge me. So we about to go to Cracker Barrel. So I will see y'all. When you hungry, trying to get to food and you're stuck in traffic because they want to have construction and the highway go down to one lane. This is what happens. And you hungry. This is not okay. If y'all ain't never been in Cracker Barrel, they have all kind of stuff. Y'all see this tree? If I had a tree, this would be the tree I'd put up. Because I love purple. Cracker Barrel has a lot of stuff in it. All kinds of stuff. This is usually what I get, y'all, when I come to Cracker Barrel. And then I always got to get a Saturday pancakes if I'm not eating breakfast, because they pancakes are the bomb.com. The best. Hands down. Hey, y'all. Again, don't mind my hair. So I don't remember exactly where I left off vlogging, but I'm coming back to end it. I know it's probably like really short, but I was thinking, I was like, you know, it's Vlogmas. A lot of people are probably doing vlogs and stuff, so they probably don't need to be that long if everybody doing them. I feel like 10-15 minutes like max, right? So y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all would rather have shorter vlogs, longer vlogs, medium. I think about 10 minutes per vlog is good for everybody with Vlogmas, because I know, like, I watch a lot of vlogs. I watch a lot of people. So if everybody doing Vlogmas and they got long videos, it can get kind of, you know, backed up. But I mean, I guess that's the beauty of YouTube. Like, it'll be there. Like, you ain't necessarily gotta watch it right then and there. But I mean, they could still delete it or something can happen. But I mean, anywho, I'm just rambling on. Anywho, let me know what y'all think though. I think like 10 minutes is good. I'm not sure how long this vlog is going to be. And it won't be up at 8 a.m. like how my other videos usually have been. Because I'm pulling a double at my part-time job, so I'm not at home. So yeah, but I was watching Lex Lowe. I don't know if you guys have heard of her or watch her. Let me see if I can pull her up real quick so y'all can see. But she has said something in one of her videos about, like,
what you're seeing right here is $60,000.
She has said something in one of her videos about, you know, sometimes you just gotta just get out the bed, do your hair, put a little mascara on, and put a little lip gloss on. Even if you ain't going nowhere, even if you ain't leaving out the house, sometimes you just gotta get yourself together just to get, you know, out of a funk, or to get your head together. Because sometimes, like, we can get inside of our head, we can overthink, and we can get really down on ourselves, and it's just not a good space to be in. It's a really dark place to be in, and I've been in those several times. Like, I just actually came out of one. I went 2 weeks on a break from social media. I had my phone on Do Not Disturb. Like, I wasn't really talking to nobody other than my husband and, like, my mom. But I have a lot going on, and I just had to really step away, and I had to figure out what I could do to, you know, get myself together, because I was not in a good place, and I felt I had a lot of distractions and stuff going on to where they were hindering me. So I had to kind of step away, and that's good to do. And it's also good to have a daily, like, routine or ritual, whatever spiritual, whatever you do. You know, waking up in the morning, thanking God for waking you up, saying a prayer, reading a scripture, reading a Bible, meditating, whatever it is. You got to find something to do to keep your mental together daily, because you never know. One little simple thing could happen, and you've been, like, trying to keep it together for so long. One thing could happen, and you could just completely just black out, or just explode, because you've been trying to keep it together for so long and you haven't been properly dealing with everything. So this is her channel. I love her. She was the one, so it's Lex Low. She does, like, really good makeup and stuff like that. She was the one that said that sometimes, you know, you just gotta get your hair done, put a little face on, whatever it is you gotta do to get yourself up out of a funk. And even if you're just gonna be around the house. So, and I agree with that. Like, me, y'all know my hair is jacked up, and I don't know what I want to do with my hair, because I don't want to get it braided. I don't want to do crochet. I really don't want to feel like dealing with weave, but I don't want to put no more heat on my hair. I don't know what I want to do, and I don't feel like dealing with no natural hairstyles, especially in the winter. So I did my face today. It don't look like it now because it is currently, let me show y'all. I am up at, oh no, I am up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully y'all can see that. I don't even know. But yeah, up 3 o'clock in the morning, ending the vlog. So if it's not up at 8, it'll be up at some time tomorrow, because I'm really committed to doing this Vlogmas. It's my first time doing Vlogmas, and I'm really, really excited. Another thing I wanted to say was, my first video was Babe not being in the spirit. Y'all, I don't even know if I'm in the spirit. Like, I don't feel like decorating a Christmas tree. I'm not buying a Christmas tree for my house, for one. And I'm really not decorating, doing all of that. Like, y'all know we just moved, and I'm, like, trying to buy furniture and shit. I'm not really trying to focus on no Christmas decorations. But I am in the mood for, like, uplifting and getting my relationship better with God and all of that, and, you know, just helping people. But as far as, like, the Christmas shopping and all of that, I don't know. But y'all gonna be getting a different kind of Vlogmas from me, honey. But I am very committed. So I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna I can't even talk. I'm not gonna try. I'm going to do. Okay? I'm going to do. So anywho, I love y'all, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get notifications. And I don't know if I'm gonna come back before I edit this. No, I probably won't. Alright, I love y'all. Bye. See y'all in the next Vlogmas. Day 3 tomorrow. Yeah.